We're back. Okay, we're still at the mag tree. This is a little 5-frame nuke, number 516 mag tree. And let's see what happened here. It has a yellow queen, eggs brood. We marked her on the 23rd of last month. So see, she's a little baby nuke too. But I still call it a little hive because she is marked, she is laying. Bees are trying to act like acrobats here. They have food still. If we had a good nectar flow, they wouldn't even touch that sugar water. I got some around. That's why I'm thinking we might have honey flow going on here again in a little bit, because we have been getting a little, well, we got some rain a couple of weeks ago, but got some sugar water in a that little girl. They're just flapping them wings. But anyway, got some sugar water in it, and the bees aren't even touching it. Okay, this one has some honey, some nectar, pollen. And they're doing pretty good. Okay. Got the pollen patty. This one here has some brood, some larvae, some nectar, some festooning going on down here, which is a good sign. This side over here we have a yellow queen. There she is. See, all this is brood. This is nectar. And she's got some eggs and larvae in there. We're going to stick her back. We don't want to knock our festooners off or stress out the queen. See, all these are little new. You got a queen and she hatches. You've got about 2 weeks. This is what I give them anyway. About 2 weeks. Walk around the hive. I give them 2 weeks before I start seeing eggs and larvae. Then you got to wait until all that starts hatching, and then you've got a hive. But this is all brood. This is nectar. Little nectar over here, little nectar down here, little nectar in here, and all this is eggs and larvae. This one here has some nectar in it. And we have nectar in that one. This one here has some nectar. This we got some nectar. This is all honey. This is nectar. Come back in there, baby. You can't fly. Go. You gotta worry about the little babies when they get out and they crawl across the edge and you think they might fall off. It's kind of like taking your kids to the beach or something or to the mountains, and you're worried about them getting hurt. That little girl had never seen the outside before, but she was curious. Just like kids. But they're doing real good. Won't be long before we start adding boxes or something. But that's them. Trying to figure out when she was born. I think she was born on the 4th of last month. But anyway, it takes a while to start a hive, people. I mean, this is what I do, and I love doing it, and I like playing with my bees and watching them grow and get bigger, kind of like you do your kids. Sometimes they're good, sometimes they're bad, but they're mine. Give us a comment, thumbs up, share, subscribe, and enjoy. Y'all have a wonderful day.